Murobelio kubwatia tukwendere tikurigirirwa n'abana insi y'imyaka 13 igo nuganete bosemye bwa Bible
Etwani yabugire ayo mwaro karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mwaro karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mwaro karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege
Chitaliki kianda umanchomo ligerali chiomotinyi oikomi na kabiri mwaka w'ekirubere na mirongo ebere nene kolengi kwa bokirbuya emambi ya lero emambi ekorekana engiye kima ase oronyatu kwa kwiroberia nemiroberia ao lituko lia lero Etwani ya Getembe ime yetibi ya wanjete ya Getembe Television ekiunga kia mumugusi nche nigongoro ku Haron Ototo nyangiri chingaki amange agenda kwana kiwa chinsemo ao ime na isiko yense ya Kenya chingaki ekirangarari gosebirangari abiganda kurwegwa igoro yokorosibwa gose gutarosibwa gwekyombe kia IPC elikinyar gobayo chikwana kia okoyaligania gwechikura na gose ke gwobachorio bonna bumwaka w'ekirubere na mirongo ebere ne tano na ebere abo igo abachorio boke bwechinsemo echi anyariko bachitabugati abawakilisha segeka nigo ababwatani abaganda kurwebirangari byabo omwancho mu ligerali abo gana manga yende kana kiwa chinsemo kondeli tangani etokora ligerali nga narali ali agenda kana kiwa lituko gosana gatuguri tukuligoro ali agenda tekosaire telibagali na ase amangana aito amaye togochaka kurwa ase ebunge ya machoge borobu ese ababwatani besukuru ya Kiru wanyanda kabagwesoke na komboli omojumbe webunge yo omuskeno basano bade barongo konyakaba gagwesoke na kwene kibuna amagacho grade 9 ase skuru yo nyale kabaga kwa gacho na gwikomo elio ligere aborokigwa abagoigosoa eskuru mwakugocha wanyora ase bagosomera ni yo amuro oroboti ruo ni gorwaliganitwe no morigito Isaiah Mawe
Abaibuli abo kurwase skuru ya Kiru batoka se wodi abo kimonge litukulia lero ni gobeso kina boyo gukwanira amakungu bagenda tegwetira ase skuru yegento babateba buna nigo amagachari kwa gacho mono muchumbe bwenseme ya se skuru iyo achereirwe egento bono babwato bwa banga bana babo nigo barachikubura ase bagoswa ekara ya January
omwesimigo barongo agacha agatagure nyumba ko nyebekanse otigire skuru bakabona jipa chiongo kire no muntu aise gocha aise kurigeria skuru yebunenga no muntu jete ko agacha koroba toli muntu kurukumunjine jete ko agacha koroba ye
if suppose a project ye ya lenge pirongo tu omochumbe bwe area ye igata kere before January etaraika aicha kwanera mona intu nanda tebigwa inkike momiseti anyala kende como miseti enito contribute so tati skuru yagendera
ase ensemo yende abaibuli abo nigo batebire buna obwo babora rombo linga ibirasi ebinge se skuru iyo nigo bitayo egento baborere ngabana babo nigo batachi konyora ase bagosoana boigo kokosereria nga nigo barachi koimukia getambukiro yokuagachira ikigutu abana babo bagosoa ngonyo muchumbe bwenseme itagwesokia na boigo koerera burungi
atujui kama wanafunzi watakuja kusomea nje ama tutaweka kwa barabara. Tukuje kwako mheshimiwa, tunajua kwako 100 yenye ulitupea imeisha. Na wanafunzi wataenda wapi? Ulitudanganya na 100. Hebu MP tuangalie vizuri. Tunalia, tumezaa mimba miezi 9. Pia wamama tunalia, watoto wetu watakaa wapi?
Nyondi yanyalikana. Acha busega ile compound yake saa tagulente elinde tuagache nyumba ye chiema nyone ya mato ye metagara egera bana ba January abana babaisa kusaba
abaibuli abo nyana boigoni go bamugikeire umuchumbo ina kumuboria gwesoke bwikiranu na kwerera ikikeirete bono gotena kwa magachayo egento nyana boigo batebire nga kero chikura chiraike nigo baramubwato ko muchumbo yo ngoya tagocha gosaba amabera aso okubwatuka abantu bensemeyo
chikura asa etukuru akoro kubokimonge anyore takoira na bokimonga irane abu atabaga kachinderwa batega kinagosire airane nche asa akoro gukiru wodi ya bokimonge wodi anyo tokoira no bwa tabaga chinderwa bakabangina 2027 utasika mukia nyuma
Inkoripotari Getaseni kia Getembe kuruga sensemo ya Kiru egutoka segwodi ya Bukimonge bunge ya machoga bwa Brabwe County ya Kisii. Etwani Isaiah Maube.
Amatemo kurwa chinsemo che machoge nigo ere nebirero magega yo mwanchu abo gosiria ubumabwa ya chinsemo chia Saudi Arabia awase umutinyo yamo oitrebono roboti runa rogo chambeo
nasi ikinyiro kia maraba no twatarari tukuria rero ase amateye mohegendete goichana na boigo gukumiria ese uyu mwabo onyara kobogosirio bogima sense ya Saudia egentono nyara babagoteba nga makweri uyu mwabo uyu nigaro yo botutukanu asenge njuna nigokonyo mwanchu yobo akwanire nga nigo muchando lengo gati yae amo bali bamuligete mermo
agante bina le bosi ya drill ko bu musara because of this bate betigwe kere bosi ya drill ko mo ko ritu ko ribate banetia ko mwaka no musara nyali yedire ko report of this aga na jita na report of this rakidi dalili ya corona mukungu bwe bosi ya ogejiu kunya wechanda mono muna na ruete ngaga una gutigirita abana orende na nje na jite kuri rakini egendo magara mugonsabira Nyasaye
na ekero egeka kiwike eyemo ya itire magayo musubati uyu kuripoti umugakoye igoro yo bombo chubu aringe gati abali bamuligete amonere nigo esimia chete komumanyimuna umungino ye nige iteta so kwengenta eginto no nyana boigo gwikira bono bataramanya gose no boene
aboli simikie bagande na kiyake gesimi ingwa keruri akege simiye ga musubati wagete agante na magiyo ko jaro mugo sauria na monero umurugio nigengendete
umugakoyu oye no nyana boigo nigatebire nga no nyambara nyora machibo maikira nukorwa senseyu baraboni go babwate oboene na nigo babwato kwegena bunani go barachikonyoro mubiro nyegosira na boigo gukora amatanga amayabuna eremira yo mugsi
mubere turarwara lakini echia chentingo nyako sauria na tona chochi na bondo china kipa bwa channel babwate na gumuvirora nyari kibara bwaterane na baraiban na gumuvirora urarwa
ase obwamo ya mateyo bono nigo yesokiri kuburia abarai eserikali nonde bwenzo bwato moyo muya wesokia chinga kiechina kobakonya nemuno goikera na boigo konyoro umubironya gusira muna enchireyemo yere komwenia asa maskani
akina inwe kero muigweta mangana ya igeke nekirere kenene tugasaini kurira asingencho yoyo minto na ari tutamaitinga na ikege kuru ense yege kuru Saudia ntwe tukonyigu nga Saudia kwanza na ine liete Saudia nto maiti kuririka ka kimwari gwanja muigwa mangana ya iga ga kimokonyo umwana ominto ndiba areterwa umunginoje nabayigo nabana baya atigeirwe umwana oyo mokega bwate emyaka 2 utagenda kugura makweri kuruense ntambe ndege kubuguri umubere gaki abaminto kamuranje onde bwansi ole chinsinyo inye chienso igwete linganire gaki tokonye
kama ni serikali yetu ya rais wetu Mr. Ruto, tafadhali usaidie mahali yatawezekana.
Inkoripotari Getaseni kia Getembe kuruga chinsemo chia maraba chigutoka egwodi ya magenje bunge ya machoge bwa Brabwe County ya Kisii. Etwani Isaiah Maube.
na boigo mwancho mo tegereri amateyamo korwa asichinsemo che kenyero kia mugweko yogotoka ime yewodi ya kia makama ibunge nyari masabo ero nigo bayesokirie kugania obokonyi gwetira ase mwancho abo gosiria obogima achinsemecho ase amateyo etaranyara korambalia na goikera kurwa omoroberi gwikera ni omoroberi ya matanga achinsemecho kuna roboto rogo cha sembeo
mete na bwate naoniri nimbwate kibese nkamwira galax agaku x-ray na kiya kitiko kosokia machibu ayenga lang sia maaye tari gukora gas na rafiriti ikagera gacha nanda kanguswa machi iria kabiri Krista Maria agantebi ngore concentrator ya 10 liters kuguru 120,000 nkanyora tinkonyara nkachangaoni obulimo ate expenses cia nyagitari nchiroro after 5 days kwanyagwa discharge kwagenda nandi koirana nkamenyera obugima obokong obutaka n'abana mbali skuru igatuka abana mbali ku skuru matukonsa abana abo nabo bagucha nyagitari banjinji nagenda manga nakora egasi igwike yami egasi y'omutienyi natebi kugenda nagenda nabera nyagitari tinakiri mushahara nyani siringi tukondi nana kitu mushahara n'umushahara nari gwaka nusiringi iri busa
ndobu nareririga unakwanira yonsi twatemire mugaso n'obutuko natemire kurigie chinguru kine cyose cyo gukonya umwana uyo minsi osire maremu fani kwambo fanezi twasenyuru bakeni bayarire twonirie bintu paka umuchiyo tikaire busa ntobwati kende ababaya bari wanja batoikane batokonye tusukiria abana batigara nabake nepirire nyagitari gere nene tegechete igoro ono ni fakti gatigara yani otwatigarete tore busapi echingwani chichi nyingi chikukwanwa so mwana uyo minto ararwarire nembe ari gutumeka ibimwe igure mweresi runa beresa umutungi nora imashini ari gutumeka so wanja kwino mwari wanja
korire kwasabona into tutigarite chintakana ndobwati onde tugotamira twasabire twakorire michango lakini byansi byabere busa omwari ukire byabwata abana chinyaruka nabo murababiri nyaruka isa tabo murababiri bonsi batigete chisku isiko bari chibasi chibore tabagire sku oyo omo mwari muna mwanjira agakora mutembo oyo onde gatirete form 2 ore kwenda form 3 pesenchi oyo onde form 3 aguchi pesenchi akimwari gwanja asomo oyo bo gwanja tonya toto gakiasuri manduku manya akimwari gwanja motokonye mokonyo mwana sami asukiria aba
na ebyombe aoni go byachiramo eliokobeka eliogiriabo na gochakia okoigora kwa ekiombe ekyo gigochikonyara kabage kubwatesia aso kurigereria obwene bwa bali bamete amo no morema asichinsemo ao na boigo konyene kibuna abanyarika bakumanyikana na barbo mbareo na Cosmas Otwoli nere omoteneri omonebe kiombe ekyo bona robotiro gochasembe
Tere neri nkoro Cosmas Otwoli Julius itkoria rero oni go torenge kwa kirori ase okolonchi organization okolkunga maendeleo ya walemavu organization ayunde founder nende CEO monya getinge tiangereri bagero watenga abaene abantu baminto baremavu abantu babalemavu asinga kichinyinge twabere togo chayo asinga kichinyinge abantu babere bagotorigereria na maisa bogeka lakini ndio tokotanya sambia mwana sato ikire kogera iro taringa no gwancha gwaito ose ko bange kitore sato ikire sto ikire tukare sore tukare to ko bakiroli aso ko iboro kwa organization akorokunga maendeleo le mob organization kiagere to ka rokali maendeleo organization maendeleo le mob organization nesenge jechi nyinge chirukiro malieta makong au ntabare bale nkagaria yabera bakong sana ko manyanga nki organization okora. For example, kero kolye maega se bane ega ntobwate totanga pillars ebi organization okora igo egente kenena mono tokora advocacy na mono gotebanga abantu boboto bali mabwate obwena bwabo wento koligererigwa na kuba mono tobonto ko bali bagali abo watebe ali bagwetera na ndabe naki tokonyara ko bakonya se ncherere abene ko enda bosio bono ntobwate representative mashinani kogera ese kera bonde antero chuko kera kogera ntobwata abantu abanga boto barema na ese chinga kinyinge babere bakonereriwa akinde bonde senge joge Getembe noerege ga mwanya getinge ntore tari okora mwega sia moneno na ende botambika mo ndangeri I'm very much ready to chegere to kwane obwene bwa abantu bolema tiangereri bagere gotebya bagusiba mitese mwabeta ase bali muri gusi mbara munyo miro gusi mbara munyo mire siko lakini yose bali bakwe munoyo kamora nche mozo ko yera bana bo bolema buna bana bwate enga baragereirie so ki abana isiko bamanyakane egere bamanyakane obwene bwabo omanyakane nenchere kibonto ko bwenigwa na ki kogenda bosio kogera boboto obwene bokomenya igo gukura ngo bakorera ngore naki abagusi baminto tigatako bisabana basoka isiko bamanyakana babarwe bamanyamborure kibabwate egera bakonyake kogenda bosio.
Wajaelewa kwamba kuna condition pia ina happen, tutakiwa mdogo kabisa na hawezi kuielewa haraka. As wewe mzazi ukienda tu hospitali ukiwa na mtoto anaweza kuelezea huyu mtoto ana condition fulani akiwa mdogo, ndio at least uanze kama ni mazoezi ama ni madawa akiwa mdogo.
Most of the biggest percent or the high percent of women are not empowered. Both educationally, we have been denied the opportunity to get education. I remember back then when I lost my sight and then I wanted to go back to school. My daddy told me, Kamene, do you know what? I cannot spend my money on you because you are a lady and you are disability. And I'm like, whew. And you know, Betty can attest to that because she is a lecturer, and most of the time she found herself in a situation whereby men are the majority who have disability in the education sector, but ladies were not there. What happened? Where are we? Does it mean that we don't exist? We do exist, but we're back in the village, back in the houses, because people still believe that we are not capable of going to school and getting education, and they feel like they're wasting money on us, which is not right. So we need to speak it out and make a lot of noise on educating women with disability.
Toko hirana goika ase abaraje banne bensi ya Kenya lituko liegoro nigo omoko nyibo murai bwense omukoro musike Geoffrey Gatigashagwa anataka kabaga gwesokia na kwemuruganalia gutabarora gwekyombe ya ABC ngwana boy goya nyata kabaga gosegetwa amo na omoko nyibo murai bwense omukoro yura wale omurai bwekyama kia Wiper omusike Garonsa Musyoka igoro yo kubolia kuna bali bonsi barwete gose bali bonsi babegete bina iboti gwekagambero ebya tubaniri okorotwe kyombe ya ABC banyara ko baba koruse bine byora ende kyombe Kenya kabaga korosibwa kuna bwango.
The voice of the church is the voice of God. Kama kanisa inasema iko shida, hao wahubiri ndio wanakaa na wananchi kila siku. Na shida mingi sana ya raia kabla kufikia sisi viongozi inafikia hao wachungaji. Hao watu viongozi wa kanisa wakisema uchumi bado haujafika vizuri, hiyo ndio ukweli. Wakisema hii mvumo ya SHA na SHIF hapana sawasawa, hiyo ndio ukweli. Si ndio? Wakisema hii mradi ya manyumba watu hawafurahi, hii ndio ukweli. Tuwache kuwakemea viongozi wa kanisa, tuwaheshimu na tuwasikize. Na tukiangalia pahali Kenya imefika, wabunge wamenyamazishwa isipokuwa hawa. Si ndio? Maseneta wamenyamazishwa. Kila mtu amenyamazishwa. Kanisa isipoongea si tutakwisha? So we want to encourage the Church of Christ to continue standing with the people of Kenya and to be truthful and to talk for the people of Kenya.
About this matter of IBC. So William Ruto should come out of the slumber and do something. The country is waiting for him. You know, they tell their proxies, because the fellows who have gone to court are the proxies of UDA. Tell your proxies to withdraw the case. Name within the next 1 week the panel, and then the next few months we should have in place an IBC. Ya mengine ya poroja atume naenda kukutana na Ruto usiku. Mimi si mtu aina hiyo. Nikitaka kuona Ruto nitasema kwa Kenya, I'm going to meet him. Nimwambie organize IBC, and I'm not saying I'm meeting him. Yeah, I'm not meeting on IBC. It is his responsibility to do it. But they organized as a judge in Kiambu who had to give an injunction, an order to make sure that the names are not submitted to him. As simple as that. And my brother Weta knows he's part of that conspiracy. He's a very good friend of mine. He should jump out of that conspiracy. Wapeana ya majina. Yeah.
Great.
Okay.
Thank you.
people of all types of speculation. Yeah, some others saying I've been going to State House at midnight. Awashindwe sana. Hawa ni waongo wa ajabu. For us, we are very clear on the way forward. In fact, we propose to issue a statement, pre-Jamhuri statement. I know that some people in the media have been saying, oh, we are issuing statement there, but we will do a mixture. We will talk when it is necessary to be able to put these people on their toes, because they are obviously a lying regime and they have been found out. We are calling them out. Just in the matter of IEBC, we've been very clear, right, that when Azimio was given 48 hours to forward the name of the candidate to be in the panel that will constitute the IEBC, we had to adhere to the strict timeline by the court. And we gave the name of Dr. Kokimoli. I think she'll be issuing a statement. But there are people who are afraid of our abilities. They want to get user-friendly candidates. All right? So she had herself won the case. And so this is a matter where the state itself has gone to appeal. They went to court to appeal in a Kiambu court. We have said this before. And then after that appeal, they have not even prepared to prosecute the appeal, meaning they are not even interested. Speaker Wetangula had 1 week after Azimio complied with that directive of the court to forward the names to President William Ruto. But they gerrymandered in order to allow the fellows they have given the mandate to delay the whole process to move to court. So I was amazed. I don't know whether there's a judge who talked about this, and it's unfortunate that he didn't seem to have the facts. So this is the fact. State capture continues, even of the judiciary. The fact they are not even able to move this process forward. So we are calling them out.
Chinga kiche choma nchomo ligerli niko mkonyi wa mrai wense omoske Abraham Professor Abraham Gudrekindiki anyaza kabanareka kubatuka engwa na igore kyombigia IPC sanya kabaga kwane kibna serikali nagenda tane miroboli yokorosi kyombigia IPC ase chinja choboke ranu elioko kyane botutuka no buganda kwane kibwa igoro yokubura we kyombigia IPC.
Kwa sababu walikuwa sawasawa.
Kuna mambo kidogo ya IBC imesemwa. And I just want to urge that the reason that there is no IBC at the moment is because some Kenyans went to court and filed an injunction. And there is an injunction against the establishment of the recruitment panel that is supposed now to recruit IBC commissioners. So we are asking the parties that have taken this matter to court to try and reach an out-of-court settlement so that we can unblock that process and complete the reconstitution of the IBC as soon as possible. This is a country governed by law. I have seen there are some who are blaming the government. Now, when there's an injunction, the government is not able to do anything. So we request those who filed those cases to go and reach an out-of-court settlement so that the injunction is lifted and we can move towards reconstituting an IBC so that the people of Kenya can have political stability and the by-elections that are pending can be concluded as soon as possible. There are some political parties also who have not agreed on who will be part of the task force or who will be part of the selection panel. We also want those political parties who have not agreed on who their representative will be to also go on and agree as soon as possible and stop the blame game so that we can have a new IBC, hopefully by the end of the year or at the latest by next month. It is not good for a country with a vibrant democracy like Kenya to stay for such a long time without a functional electoral and boundaries commission.
Mwanjo mo ligaligo ikirabo notokorera ensemo entangani Etwani ya Getembe mambia lero toko endo mutimo kwa mukego tokugeratnya kwa tokoligereria amagaseti kubwa mono ase mangana manganya tukwa kwa sa magaseti ayo ase mangana grade 9 crisis omoske rigatiga shagwa kugendera ko bolia serikali mabolia mange Moske Raila Odinga neganga yayo kuba umunyakero bwe kyombekia Africa Union Commission na yanda mange alire libagasa magaseti ko yari tolesegeka egeke kurwana umuntu mo ligero litonya haragoska guchere
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege
Getembe Television ekionga kiamamogusi.
Welcome to Timiza School, where excellence is nurtured and dreams come alive. Located along Kisii Highway at Nyosia 1, Timiza School is now admitting learners for 2025 from playgroup to grade 9. At Timiza, your child is taught by TSC certified teachers, expertly trained in the CBC curriculum, ensuring they excel holistically. We go beyond the basics by offering French and Kenyan Sign Language, preparing learners to thrive in a globalized world. Our modern facilities are designed for comfort and excellence. Spacious, well-equipped classrooms, comfortable and secure boarding facilities, hygienic kitchen and dining area, modern and clean washrooms, clean and safe water for drinking. We inspire innovation and curiosity through the state-of-the-art science and computer labs. At Timiza, talents are nurtured through a variety of co-curricular activities, including football, basketball, swimming, chess, skating, modeling, debates, scouts, and inspiring music programs with adequate training equipment. Our reliable and affordable transport system ensures your child's safety and convenience. Don't miss out. Interviews and admissions for 2025 are ongoing at Timiza School from playgroup to grade 9. Secure your child's place in a school where excellence and opportunity come together. Call us on today 0726 2397 or 0729 658 659 for more information or to book an interview.
My name is Dila Musa. I'm in PP1. I love my school and my teachers. Welcome. My name is Kaden Zabangwen. I'm in PP1. I love my school and my teachers. I welcome you to our school where we learn and play.
Timiza School. Discover your best.
Getembe Television ekionga kiamamogusi.
Kisii Impact Institute of Science and Technology yine skuru enene yekuru maigilio yebirengo ao asekeliagia artisan certificate na diploma sikosi ao nkwigilia bali chikosi buna addressing gosekorosia na kumina chitukia beauty therapy yubwate kaine ogo chabira chinyenche nichintere na kubika obulembo asomobere mbabwate electrical installation gose wiring wasomorkiwa akwigira akuyigika na korosia omulero nebintu ebintu binde buna chi radio ne chi TV go se electronics ime ya Kisii Impact Institute of Science and Technology nkwegeli abali boigo ekosi ya Information and Communication Technology yumoro kiwa aga nirgo twara edi plain ase certificate abaigo AC- ase edi diploma chikosi chindengamona secretarial studies journalism and mass communication fashion design and dressmaking social work and community development tour guiding management plumbing and pipe fitting computer packages cake making music production nechinde chinyinge minyoka nigoba gutuka asamagacho Etwani Towers lirongolia gatano na gatatu ime yomo chobosongo tueba babwate inteka ya kera omotenyi ase chikosi chinke chia short courses nabo igo chiria chia technical asamange bakere ase enamba enoti isano na ibere isano na isato inye isano nemo isato nemo kianda isato gose enoti isano na ibere enoti isano na ibere isato emo inye ibere Kisii Impact Institute of Science and Technology omogoko bwechisemi.
Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Twatire kuma maine twatire kuma geni uhuru maine otire kuma
etuka yo womo ya Uhuru Superstores iye gutuke milunu chubu songo iye konya ebintu au aseli kulidigo kona n'umubuko nkonya bale ebintu byobwaga kibuna bono amabati kurwa siche company au emesumali yechingenjo chonsi chichuma chobwaga chichingenjo chonsi chiwaya abuna bono binding wires chiwilibaro chisimiti chobwaga kurwa siche company au egati ebintu binde binge byobwaga mwigo mbabwa boards muna chiricha MDF egati ebintu binde ebinge asinse muye bintu bya nyumba nkonya bale chi mattress chechingenjo chonsi nabigicire cheche size au mbabwata chitangi cheche size au nkonya bale boigo ebintu byokulya buna bono amabuta yechinge kurwa siche company au amasi ya mandasi kurwa siche company au ayayo koruga chichumbi chisukali egati ebintu binde byobotumeki Uhuru Superstores igababwa tobo korelyo buya chingatoko bule bintu asetukeye mbabwate customer care yego segasekera chi customer buya chingaki bakogora ebintu igabo babwate chigari echo chigokora obusombi busapi chingaki kwagulire ebintu biga uchande onsi aliya sorabe igobago toka ime yo mu cyobusongo ase nyumba ya JM Towers angene duka ya Safaricom ime yo mu cyokisi asamange bakeresi migwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 gose 0111116150 gose wetera senembele 0111161502 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
One-on-one security services igotore namba eyemo ase ukurwa obukoreri bubulindi bw'igoromono ase egeka n'ubumanyi bw'imyaka 53 bono yarire nigotukurwa chinsemo ao chobulindi buna static guarding services CCTV installation monitoring real-time GPS tracking executive close protection security consultancy na cyber security services kartari kweva debt recovery na private installation K9 unit solar system and installation cash management biometric visitors management system emergency response solutions wachachi alam na voigo firefighting equipment kartari kweva electric na laser wire fence mbobwate chinsagya au abuna bona sumuchu Nairobi
Nairobi Mombasa Nakuru Kangundo naboigo ase umuchie obusongo gusekise asamange nabogo tutarera ground floor Bishop Magwa Center yuere ase para ya Ngong Road asumucho Nairobi sotori kireli uko ase BO Box 39 ase code ya 00100 Nairobi ni gotubwate obumanyi bw'emyaka 10 na kugenderera tutarere asya bichito chire egeti kya morokera y'oburemi ASK Showground angene geti Kigusi Stadium naboigo angene Golf House twakire simi ase number 0798884949 gose 0794440400 one-on-one security services intwe namba ya masoborende. Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi
amasomo nanine obumanyi nabuborairire omwana okogendera asa matuko ali busio ne aye omwiburi kwabire gukuriye sukuru asoraire omwana anyorera obumanyi nanene wichikose cyamaboko murete Keroka Technical Training Institute elio aibunduse chikosi ao igaya ntubwata chikosi bnabono elia ya Building and Civil Engineering kubundisa tureboigo ekosi ya Electrical and Electronics Engineering ase ekosi ya Agriculture and Environment Studies ase ekosi ya Applied Science Department ntubwate Science Laboratory Technician level 5 na level 6 ase ekosi ya Computing and Informatics Department ntubwate ekosi ya ICT Technician level 5 na level 6 Getembe Lab ase nsema ya Community and Online Working imiheskuru yigaya keti nigotubwate a Modern Library eyubwate bintu byonsi ibiraga nibigotumika ari nayo kubundisa tole ekosi ya Version Design ase tubwate chimashini chekerero nkoigeli abale boigo Business Studies na Entrepreneurship ase chinsamo cha Cosmetology nigotokwigeli ya Beauty Therapy miranga ase Beauty Therapy nigo okwenyorera obumanyi bwekerero unabono hair dressing pedicure manicure egati obumanyi bonde obunge boigo ntubwate kosi ya Mechanical and Automotive Engineering agirira muretu mwanu anyorere obumanyi obwiga egekogera intake ya January nigo egendrete eskure yigani yere kilomita ya munenu skuru asomo chokeroka
Jenkefa nyakinyanya mugaka ninche registrar aigase college ite ya Keroka Technical Training Institute Keroka ntubwate chikosi kya kisasa ichuchiragere umwana anyole gase sobwango usaso kwerikana na segase natali kwa service ase school fees ndasa kotanga kwansi yere bosa ase ngenje serikali gotwa what we call scholarship na wego na help loans egende ketanga ni mwana wika Keroka tokomo konya oso ase program ya kusibisonyo tanya ku apply kubatakana no kwandika mwanafunzi osiko mwana ne background yae igaso ogwanja ko ino abayibuli kumuranje tiganto tiga bana ababerenga tigataba to kase school ete Keroka muleta so bwango ndo batana na accommodation ninjibwango so that nyole mabagaya abana bagenda gusoma eli baje utokonya matukane mutu
asamange na bogwaka esimgwitrase chinamba 0726588558 gose 0708330000 asigo ayirena kwenyorera obumanyi eli wibekiri bagari lya asensiga yokwerwanirira
Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege uzito somya bamura baje
Uya kimo manjo moligerali karibu nande togende kuligerelia mange Etwani ya Getembe asabanto kuligerelia egatia magaseti ali aireli baga kose amangana ali aireli baga sa magaseti ime yansi ya Kenya tukuchaka ni gazeti ya The Standard ase page ntang'ani kigima bagwante igoro ng'a Raila's path to Addis Ababa paved with intrigues ng'a esabali ya omoske Raila Amolo Odinga yokugania kogenda na koba umurai bwabo mo gusoma yakero bwabo bwa Africa Union Commission nigo gendrete kolinde nigebwate ebitango ebinge amaotanga Raila Odinga, whose bid to become Kenya's president failed, may soon have a better alternative and finally bestride the whole of Africa, but there is a mountain to climb. Ngatire Getembe sana mo rayo yuo wiki amagia ODM muskerero Amolo Odinga bugate ekyo kigochikoende kinga ngunyarale koba gagoika ase gosaka ko munyakero go wiki ombe kyo kia Africa Union Commission ingana eireli bagalina ne ase ebechi ya gatano na limo na bwege ebechi ya gatano na kabere na igati alia kwanirega na lingaki ase emirobelirie gendete this Friday Jumeye Raila takes part in a public debate being held by AU in Addis Ababa, which beats him against his two competitors ngadi tuko dia Juma Raila ngotwarale debate amo naburwaniriri gosegati aburwaniriri bakuligero gekyo bakurwanegero egnere na boigo debate will be transmitted to all 54 countries and translated into 6 national languages spoken in Africa. Kenya's campaign secretariat considers 20 countries very likely to stand with Kenya. Efforts to win over another 20 countries are in high gear, according to the secretariat. Inonsialia ganda koligere kwa kwandikinga morayo yuo weki amagiodi amgwira alikero kinakaba umunyakoro wa African Union Commission na ase kolengana nengwa nayo muraiwe nse Mosike William Ruto oyu ororekande ko Moskerera Odinga ase birenga bigoro nigagotanga our East African region, which is home to more than 500 million people, rightly considers this moment to be its turn to offer leadership on the basis of the principle of interregional rotation. Ngaigo East African ngima nigere magiga yomo rayo ibe kiama gya ODM Mosike Raila Amolo Odinga. Boigo ase epeche ya mutu enkeire hibaga ni ganga Damascus celebrates as Assad toppled. Aigari okwanira igoro yokurusi wabisi kwaye mu raiwense ya Syria yubwate capital city magala na Damascus wabisi amanyika na Bashar Assad oyo nyate kabaga kurusi wali tukolegoro magiga ya oko nyora ebi tango ebinge na okorwa niguo konge korwase abangi mebense yo abo babere bakumurwania segeka kimyaka etalimeke ejo orobotiro lese pechi yemerongebere na ebere 22nd page na boigo Kenya team to beat regional games ese chikosori chijiganda chia regional nigo etimu ya Kenya eireli bagali nne na kotebekananga nigo irabase guchikoba nere guchikokolya buya ase chinseme chibimina ibyo na ase epechi ya kabere ye gazeti ya The Standard nige okwaniranga why the Gates Foundation is striking controversy igokwanigoro ya Bill Gates omuyore omochaki bikiombigia Microsoft ase chinga kichia itire serikali ya Kenya netako kigotanga ngatanya akabaga kubwa tugoseka gobe kubyera getukorunga immunity na abantu abange babere bakwamereria gosbaka bakwamereria gente kigwetira ase ekiombigero side of Kenya egendo kiachitege karusia immunity eyo na oyo mo bomo kwani ase oroboti oniga gotebanga immunity and other privileges work for the many organizations with considerable presence in Kenya. This time it is a mistake to give it to the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Na mbabwe ntakwaye gu gendike matemna immunity gose ogo chikanga mbabaja ko bako mukiri go getambukero kende gyonsi kyoko bwatwa epechi agatoni gagotwaranga schools claim they were unfairly targeted in boarding closure order agamaga ya serikali gorua ogo chika go sie kwa chisukuru chimisa to na meronge na isa 348 kubwatakana ase ngani go chibwata bokoldi obobe go mono chinsense meli ya boarding facilities asiye nataka bachiko chikwa owosie kwa gose kutagandira korwa obokoldi obo na boigo nigo aba bwatania bange banyaka bakwe murungana munatibaye tibagalio kwegerera abantu bagotebanga ebitambukira serikali ya nyato kubage kwemukia nigo biarenge ebitabwati obokonyi gochese bale na bona iga for example nigo bagukwananga what will happen to our students who rely on boarding facilities. They cannot commute to school daily. You know mwalimu ya monya tukabaga kwana. And then why doesn't the government provide funding to improve these facilities as required? Nange kwa serikali etanyarika ba gekoro chibeta uche sukuru ejiga elina nyarika ba kwa kinga chinseme jiga chinza mu choboraro was boarding facilities cyane ko bachigo ika ase birengo biri bitakeire yonde korunga former quality assurance officer Majani Baridi. This exercise was rushed and the officers conducting the assessment were not diligent. Naboigo no negatia bajumbe muna bono mochumbe Silvana Sosoro mojumbe bunge ya South Mugirango na rute karanga kia sakotanga. This selective vetting is unfair to schools that have already made efforts to comply. Nengana boyo nya takabago segetu mo no mojumbe Wajia West Farah Mohammed. Where will the children go? Their parents are working miles away and cannot afford to send them to distant schools. Then naro kwanta kotanga yulenga Elias Abudijalo kotabanga if the safety of learners is at risk and if the boarding of schools is life threatening, which comes first, life or education? Ene gabo tinga igo obotutu kana mboga tukana kiwa kubwatukana amo nogosie kwa wecho gosechi boarding facility ate egati ye school yejiranya tukobaga chigosie kwa abagese peche yo ya gatato nigo aboroki ya gose abaiboli barabu bagante gosegete getambukerekyo yogosie ka school yeche bagatanga. Parents back move to close 348 institutions. The National Parents Association has drawn its weight behind the move by the government to close 348 boarding schools. Na kolengana naba every time parents lose their children, the ministry is blamed, but the government has now acted and we fully support this. Affected schools have been issued with an inspection report highlighting the gaps identified, and they should begin to address this before the first term kicks off. Nebiranga bigati ya babwata ni balibanya tukaba bagosegeta gose bagosiro morobelio gosegeta mbugere gosieka egati school ejo na ra korokunga Julius Yogamba umo CS bu education nigatanga. There is a safety manual that each boarding school is supposed to adhere to, and this includes making sure there is ample space between beds and installing of CCTV cameras. Ene bitambugere biri serikali nyatukaba gekorwa goseke kota bibu antaka bigo ikirani gwa asije skuru ao eliko nyara kabachiko tuara boarding facilities mnekega agotanga making sure there is ample spacing ama bagana tikati yebitanda na bigo chikamera CCTV njiroro na igo na bangeni bagotanga. We will seek legal redress over the security inspection that favor the public schools, as we feel that we have been given a raw deal. Onegati ya aba bwata nibe skuru bandu bagotanga bajibali ko yanda bosibe kigambiro na kuboli kigambiro koligerera yabo ikiranu igoro yo murabiri umuroboli yo umugima bwoko sieka egati ye chiskuru jiko boarding facilities ye skuru echo na boigo ase epechi ya gatano epechi ya kana ya gatano nigo egenderete kumulekera se gitabu kelikire amo nomo rwanereri bwekorokyo president omokoro gose omwasiri omokoro na boigo omokonyi omurari bwekorokyo president omokoro boigo yore omujumbe omokoro bwe bunge ya Geshugu omosike matakarua agatabu kama terna against the tide my journey on a less trodden path against the tide agatabu kelikire na matakarua ase aigali getenga ase raba mole getenga how I took on XCC for service boss navigated gender wars and won aiga matakaruo agetabe kiganda tukoligera liwabo ase Kenya tuko kwananga almost matakaruo kwantenga. The parliamentary emoluments were so meager at the time that they could not even cover my house rent, let alone meet other family needs. I kept my practice going as a financial anchor to my daily life and my politics. Nachinga kia sa parliament na chibesa chiale ngurwe gwa bunchiale goisana go mwakanera no ane rent eyo no mosike Martha Karua onyato kabaga koera ime yigetabu gikiae kemanyegerete buna my journey on a less trodden path against the tide kere na Martha Karua sepechi agata na limo na uraibu kiamjo kia oboraibu AUC South Africa Union Commission pechi agata na gatato nengana yaberge kumulikira sana igoro school Gosachi University sayotanga fastest in a crisis as dates raw and corruption threatened corrupts. EACC is probing graft fraud across 18 public universities. University University communist sana na isato ngachiganda kumulikirwa zamane kyombegelge ko koligelia mangana yobukurumi some institutions are struggling to survive which institution ndenigo chiganda gwetera makongu abo se university ya Masai Mara era yamo yabo koligeraliwa inse yoboraibu aye omo vice chancellor Penina Aro Obudo se bungana na koligelinga institution ya yugo se university yunyale kabage koligeraliwa nga ki egenda to kolimdo bya ego se amangana yubo tumekibwe chibesa ase university ase peche ya kata na katato MCSK leadership battles escalates as factions crash anga nigo obo tutukana baganta kwana kiwase kiombegelikia Music Corporate Society of Kenya se baganta kongusana na igoro yemero bali yende onsi egota igoro yoko gendera wose bokolali bwe kiombekyo na boigo sepechi kenda ni kwa nanga governors under siege as rivals start our campaigns na aba governor ni go banyolira sa kongegima kingaki egati ya bali baibero beriti ko chikobarwaneria ekerogo kyo governor gokorwanere ekero kyo governor bagenda konyara kwa bakwebanga elio konyara kaba oyo go chikonyara kaba na bairide ebirogo ebyo governor ase omo governor gose omo wasiro mukoro bobolemi omosike mitigari nturi aroyo mabo ase bali ba gwikira bana banya ka ba kobeka gosba kuri biora kele bionsinga ngochi kubali koligie kero kyo gavana omosike mitigari nturi niga bolte gavana imeye county ya Meru asanya tokabaga ko amo nomo sobati kawira Mwangasa na abana egose bali gereli baga siasa ne bagotanga gentekyo niko kialetire obo basaba gavana abange omosike Peter Munya oyibo igona ero nyata kwa koboli keroge kyo ime ye bunge county ya Meru no ya mobo na ero kwaneire se egati ya banda bange na bali banyata kwa banyalika bakobeka amasakarabo gosaba kobeka birenge byabamo byo guchikoligia ekerogo kyo gavana in Nyanza election trumpets have started in Migori. Governor Ojiro Ayako is facing early competitions korua se Mr. Peter Masara oyu korusu na West na Mark Nyamita koru really abu baro vereti gochikoligia ekeroge kyo governor se county ejo ya Migori na bugeste county ya Kakamega Senator Poni Arwale obeta birenga no alegeti gochikoligia njira yoko morusi ya BC umugavana abuye county ejo Fernandez Parasa na boigo sechinse mochinde aba asijinza mochinde bonsi oborwanere baganta korakana obotindi Peter Munya niga politikeroge kwetira sekia mkia PNU na boigo mitikari nturi akaboli kwetira sekia makia UDA nigo koligera ligoro ya bagavana bali banyalika bakorakana ngamba mbatwale okwamereria obotindi rwa ase gusasa njira ya moyo kwegerera obo rwanereri goso ebikero kyabo kyobo governor naboigo ase kebirengereri nigo bakwananga will never keep quiet until Ruto government does the right thing ayo ne kerengereri kya yo mukaima itemna kidi mwega agatanga goikabaganda kubolia serikali enyaleka ba yo musiki William Ruto enyaleka ba gotegana na gukora amangana buronge elio banyaleka ba bago kira onye Taliban baliko chikogendera gukira nabona birengere bya YIBCA cannot reject a president's donation like the other churches buniga bwandigoro ya chikanisa chirjanya kwa chikwanga umochango bumurai wense musiki William Ruto hasa bolete kwandenga ekanza ya moikorokunga AIBCA eyo nga Africa Independent Pentecostal Church of Africa nga ero na betana murai buen Ruto nsemo chindi chanya kaba chipo ko sichitirale o mochango wa gatia babarai bage siasa abigo asepecho mwa timu ya Arsenal eyo etanya tukabage kubwali tukolie goro no akosema likuwa lengo ngobwa yale nabo igo timu ya Man U na yale tutanya tukabage kubwali tukolie Jumamosi na yarone mulike irabo nabo igo omo gosolio motwe wose striker ya timu ya West Ham oyo manigrante buna Michael Anthony niganya tukabaga konyoro mwasukano motindi bwe para asego tepekananga niganya tukabaga kuboneka no nyina magurae asanya tukabaga kabere ime yegali ebyanya tukabaga konyora accident gusoma basukano yo wetani ensaye yamo akamaya gochakaba ngago konywa korwa chinsemejo iyo ni gaseti ya The Standard omwanjwa omorigereri ayo negatiari ireli baga linane ase ime ye gaseti yo ya Standard tokwenda ase egaseti ya Nation. Gaseti ya Nation libaga linane nigo liwire gochiase oroboti igoro ya grade 9 ase gotenga grade 9 crisis na obokonguno botutukano bogenda kwana kiwa ase abali bagochika so ase grade 9. With less than a month to go, many schools are ill prepared to admit grade 9 learners on January 6th, while reconstructions of classrooms to accommodate the pioneer learners under the competence-based curriculum is ongoing in some schools. The situation remains dire in many institutions. Ne pechi ya kane na boge pechi ya gatano ye gaseti ya Nation ase kwanete igoro botutuka nuboga ndekwana kiwa ase chiskuru asobo gachiboga ndekwana kiwa ase chiskuru aho kwa chiskuru chinde nchi magachtaragendera na nyana so oroboti roli tunya kwato kareseka esukuru ya kiru ime ya machoge bravo nero ba bible ba kubolinga ne nki kuchikonyara kabaga kwana kiwa yegora gukira bonega amagacho ayua agochikotwara class kia grade 9 taranyara kaba gako ligereliwa. Now, while some schools received classroom construction funds in good time, others are still waiting with less than a month left before schools open. We are supervising construction of classrooms across the country to ensure timely completion before schools open in January. Governor County ya Trans Nzoia omo sike Gideon Oyagi Nyandricha onyatakabaga kuruwengo sokotenga mbaga yante koligereligo serikali yante koligerelia na koena kia buna chisukuru chonse cherobe ikigima gochikotwara abana abo ba grade 9 ekare skuru chikoigoru. Teachers Union and Ed Teachers of Comprehensive Schools have called on the government to employ more teachers for junior school, which continue to face an acute shortage of tutors since 2023. Ne igoro ya obokongo boga tukane kibono botutukano igoro ya grade 9 omwaka omoye goseta mwegocha na igo ase pechi ya gatano gatatu nige kwantenga why kindiki is chatting is on political path ase pechi ya gatano gatatu ebwate esto ligose orobot igoro ya mukonyi bumuraibu ensomo ske professor Abraham Githure Kindiki ayu abange banyaka bakoligerelinga nigo abwate kerengereli ngao igoro yoburai bwae ibogatebanga nigatete koli kochori nchira ya ngao piko bwa nchira yomurai bwense omoske William Ruto azatanga since assuming office on November 1st he has accompanied the president to only one public event. Ngaigo nigarorekane no murai bwense omoske William Ruto ase gaikarega mugosomo yegoyo mubweka kurwanya tukabaga gochorwa buna omokonyi bwo murai bwense etarike ya moyo mutinyi kominalimo na it could be a strategic decision to focus on administrative and policy oriented duties nganza chinde nigo abwate birengerali byo koligerelia amangana yoburai bwa kyobi siko administrative kobwa mono amangana ande ayo ale ensemo na ayo asepeje gato nigatanga hure the end of 8-year reign of shame iga nige murikete okurusi kwa bisi kwaye nikimwendwa na omo president bwe kiombekerkie mopira bwengoyo kama Getembe FKF oyo nyatukabaga kobuli tukuli goro ase chikore chenye kwa chigwa kwa ime yegeti kia Kasarani auditorium ase nyatukabaga kobu amo na Hussein Mohamed bagokonya nae nere aki engoyo mukoro omagetem na makirona de mariga asanya tukabaga kobu na banta bangini kabanya kababa korokyo kogyo nigara ekiombe kibobe na niga due to the mismanagement of the game, Kenyans had stopped going to stadiums to watch matches. Coach Robert Matana, we have forgotten about merit in appointments. Instead, we reward friends with no capacity. Football starts at the grassroots because that's where we get talents. We have watani mopira ase baganta koligereria na korwa ibirenge byabo igoro yogorushwa kwa yabisi kwa president we kiombe kyo nikimwendwa na gacharo kwaye Hussein Mohamed rabo igama kinona de mariga koira libagaliae na abo igo ase epechi akabira nige kwantenga chinsemo cha mlot ase oboibi obuechisimi wasebe karara bwanyaka bakwana kigwa muna nigo bono bali bakobwate ni mono boibi obo banyale ko babako beka bako chako somi boro kiwa asinze mechuna wase ba mazne school chikoro kubai goire wase college asoko somi abantu nga kibako ebachira ko rwate chisimi kolende bagwakana nande efi the average amount that recruits pay to get trained in sim swapping fees range between 10,000 and 40,000 ogoro chiribu komi goika chiribu emerongene nyara kabago kosamiwa akioko nyara kabago ko bachani chibesa kurwe chisimi chabantu elinde nae kwa nyara kaba gogo kwa nyara chibesa chenye chikali gokonya eyo ne pechi eyo ya kabere egokwanira amangana yo na epechi ekomene megotanga court allow Muslims to pray in school. The High Court has ordered Oshwar Academy to allow Muslim students to perform afternoon prayers within its compound, ruling that a policy introduced in 2019 violated their rights. Eyone pechi ekominemo naboge pechi ekomina gatatu niye gotabanga okorusi kwa bisi wasiniga kwa nigoro okorusi kwa bisi kwa Bashar el-Assad muna president wense ya Syria oyu obere gakorwane segie ntindi kobera obisi asege kabono kolende litukoli igoro nigo yanya tukabaga kwene kinga onyara kabaga kobu naboigo gotama korwa se obisi na gotamira ense tamanyiri gwikira bono iga kolende asense ya Israel asense ya Russia yanya tukabaga kwene kibuna niga nya tukabaga soka kurwabo na korwa libaga liabene gochese serikali enyikorosi kwa sababu tie serikali yenye enyara kabaga korosi kwa ase chinjira chiobo ikirano na bwererani bo molembe ko ene kwa sense mejo gotenga a rebel leader seen as keen to ensure smooth transition to avoid what befell Iraq after Saddam Hussein enga igo balibanya alituko golio balibakageri gochkwera libagali ya embata tikonyora ense yunga ya soide asobo kongo boli ense ya Iraq enya tukabaka kanyora chinga Saddam Hussein enya tukabaka kuruchi wororo. Syria's civil war erupted in 2011 following an uprising against Assad's rule. Na igoni ganya berika kwerwa miaka 13 korwa mwaka uchiri bubere na 11 chinga ki ebirengere byo kumurusyo bisi byachagete na korwelyo nigabere gakorwa nesegi entindi gakubwate sigwa amo na aba kakubwate sigwa amo no muraibu ense ya Russia se oko ganikobera bisi kolende litukoligoro nigo esabali ya yanya tukabage goika omwelyo na asepeche yo nigegwandigo ya Ghana's former president Mahama wins elections omuraibu ya Ghana omukoro niganya tukabaga kobwa chikura magega yokobu se obo etete na bono niganya tukabaga koro no bisi kogotanga nigera no tobisi buna Trump was Trump like na wo anya tukabaga kobwa chikura chenya kwa chikone kwa emergency yo na boigo asepechi ya communikianda Garissa Turkana top in pending bills champ Garissa na Turkana nigo chire libagali nane ase oko wose na chichitanga ine ase ogo tuara pending bills ase bakwantenga Nairobi County nigebwate pending bill ere ya goikabona igere chishiringi chipilioni emia ya mirongo ibiri na yemo na boigo kirifi nere bwata chishiringi chimilioni chimisano isatu mirongo itatu na ibiri na ase chikaunti ao achimurekeire igoro yogotwara pending bills ase obunge kegima ne gaseti ya Nation omwanchomo ligereri naboigo ase page ya 6 ya gatano limo former president says Ruto intolerant to divergent views and is trying to intimidate opponents. If Kenyans say things are not working, don't get annoyed because it is the people who have employed you, and as your bosses, don't be angry when they tell you the truth. Onomurai wasomo kwanyu murai wensomo koro katika chagwa ngoteba buna murai wensomo ske William Ruto na boy gabara ibon serikali wanyaga bagosika ibirengereri via abananchi abo nande no omoske gashagwa na karonza bakwandete igoro yogo tarosi wagwe kiombe gwake chikura kia IEBC ekigenya gabaka kabere siko ya ABC ase egetambe bono na esto omugano yo bwo okoligereri gwegoro yaba abarokiwa bali bale gote bali bagosasima chinsemo chege gosasima se chiskuru peche kuminemo agendo gegotabekana nga nigo kiabete mamincha yelichiko elio kubatanga tibanyara koba bagosaba ime skuru nabo igoli tukolia lero ase akenyo linga ningi Kenya kabali tukolia lero jitariki kianda omotienyo igabo ikuna kabire omwaka 1986 the office of chief secretary held by Simon Nyachaya the order bisejenya voice chinga kijiga chinga ki semene tae anya tukobaga ko chorumna secretary office president with the sebiche yubale amo na William Odongo Omamo yunega seti ya Nation togende koligereri na koligereri gatiali aire libaga ase ega seti ejo aboigo pechi yamagega kigima nige kwandete igoro ya au Hussein beat the orders to Green Stop football seat. Hussein niganya tukabaga ko omwaka bachirube na 11 chinga kya boli tikero gekyo nande tajite ko boli kura 2016 tajite ko boli kura 2020 singen joba chole mbwale ngororo nabo igona dia nya tukabaga wecho weso kya ko boli o kero gekyo Hussein uyu bwa ka emeronge ne tano ibire niganya tukabaga ko bwa asoko nya chikura chimi isano na emona isano ibire 67 se okoirorero wechikule jenyaga bachigwa kwa ase oyo renge omokonyi bomo rai go som president bekia meki Petra Doris na boigo oyo renge omoliki bekiombe ke pari Otieno banyate ekule yamo asokorero kuwechikule cho kwa ene kimna omosike kwa ene kimna Hussein Mohamed onyale kabaga ko bwa obacholyo bo ase anyata kabaga ko kote oyo ga como congratulate gotoka como anchira na gotoka wanjira no ko kokwae na omo jumbe ya kega nero ni gabo lidinga nigo ekiganja keliki chiko sarki bwante koligera libwa boikiranu sekabe ogetwara oversight taligo tume ense ya Kenya ke kore chabire chikorekananga nza chinde ngo tumeka chikale bobe ine gaseti ya Daily Nation mwanjumo ligereri na hoigo toko swase gaseti ya Taifa Leo nero nigego tebanga Gachagua arusha mawe tangu kutema kwake Gachagua sasa ni mwiba hatari unaochokonoa serikali ya Ruto na musike Gachagua ni gabero bosmali umororo ochiase oburaibu muraibu enso musike William Ruto ase abeire gakuruta amagana amatindi gochia serikali hiyo. Naibu rais huyo wa zamani aita serikali ya William Ruto dhalimu akirejelea utekaji nyara wa wakosoaji, kutokubali kurekebishwa na viongozi wa makanisa na kulemasa mchakato wa kuteua makamishina wa IEBC. nebirenge biaye omukonyi b'omurayi bwense omukuru Rigathi Gachagua arobotire baga ase epechi ya kabere ase anyarito kaba gakokwana amani kabisa. Adanga kuna mipaka kati ya siasa na dini. Kwa hivyo wale wa kidini wanaojificha kwa kanisa na kwa upande mwingine wanaonekana kuchapa siasa chingwa tokerana ase epechi ya kabere Kindiki fungwa mikono kuhusu IPC inyoreli tukuri goroni go omokonyi b'omurayi bwense omukuru Rigathi Gachagua nabo igo omurayi bw'ikiama kia Wiper musikigano somuchuka banyataka babwesokia na komochia serikali yasogotabeka emirobulio kwaneke muna kiombe gia IPC Kenya kaba gigochaka bwikiranu kolende engana omokonyi b'omurayi bwense Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki anyale kaba gako egerere serikali gosa kwegerera serikali na gatabuna era mbabugati ibaga gose niko banyatuka bagosiba magoko kubwa gatukana ngane bina biri bigenderete ase ebigambiro ao na ase pechi ya kabere Raila ndiye atamua mshindi wa urais 2027 asema seneta Usosi mo seneta Ufiga ujubo igole umukonyi b'omurayi w'ikiama kia ODM mo Usosi ni gatabrenga 2027 mondo wachikwana kinga ningo wachikwa b'omurayi bwense ya Kenya talio ndegwetani Raila Amolo Odinga. Tabanga unafaa kujua kuwa Raila akiwa kocha huwa hatari zaidi kuliko wakati ambapo yeye ni mchezaji. Unakumbuka mnamo mwaka 2002 aliposema Kibaki tosha. Oyo ningwana yaye omukonyi b'omurayi w'ikiama kia ODM yubo igole omo senator bwe county ya Vihiga omoske Godfrey Ososi. Nabo igo asepechi ya gatatu nige kwanirete igoro ya ababunge otenga Sudi na Arado bado ni bubu bungeni ngabuna babere semyake ababere semyake bere babere imeye bunge mbali kukua na kende imeye bunge ase Asaroboti watenga kwenye ripoti kuhusu utendakazi wa bunge iliyotolewa jana na shirika la Mzalendo Trust. Wabunge bubu ni pamoja na Mathias Ropi wa Kuria Magharibi UDA, Charles Kimose Amisi ANC, Joseph Tonui Kuresoi Kusini UDA, Samuel Gachobe Subukia UDA, Paul Abor Rongo ODM na Irene Nchoki Bahati oyo Jubilee. Na bali bange bataranya rakaba kuruwa gusabande babumbalinga Irene Kasaru mbunge wa mwakilishi wa Kitui kutoka chama cha Wiper, Patu Kisimiyu, Cheranganyi, DAPK, Paul Chebor, Idongai, UDA, Steven Karane, Washira, Laikipia Magharibi, Mohamed Saudi Machere, Mofita, Alfred Mutwai, Kuresoi, na ababunge bande ngamo na Joseph Amisi, na Joseph Wainaina, Abubakar Nyarakaba, abakorwa chingwa na chiabo imeye bunge. Na kulende kulubuka tukana munero botiru, baliba Nyarakaba, bakorakana ngango karabali emiremo, mbue anangamo na Wilberforce Oundo omujumbe ofunyura ocholne kia mugi ODM Beatrice Evrachi omubunge wa Dagoretti Kaskazini wa Dagoretti North ocholne kia mugi ODM omujumbe James Nyikali Kisumu mashambani wa Kisumu Rural ocholne kia mugi ODM Makali Mulu korwe bunge ya Kitui yu ocholne kia mugi Wiper na boigada ni Kainani korwe bunge ya Elders ocholne kia mugi Jubilee. Na boigo ensemo ya senati nige kwa namna ama ba senator bali bakorekana gukora emiremo kigima Samson Jiragei Onandi ojolne kia mugi UDA Edio Kechi Omigoli ojolne kia mugi ODM Tabita Mtinda ojolne kia mugi UDA Eric Okomo Mogeni ojolne kia mugi ODM na boigo Giroli Uruoba ojolne kia mugi UDA abumbali gatabakananga abagokora emiremo buya kigima gwasabo kiranu imeye bunge na boigo imeye senate. Na ebechi omoelio nige okwandra igoro muna Arsenal etanya tukabage kubwali tukuri igoro boigo nige kwandrete igoro Manchester United wa Patria Mustuni city pia segesege igo bagwana Nottingham Forest ase etimu ya Manu yagiye gutwara kurende kaira na bosa etanyore tugende korwabu manchomo rigerali yunigati yalire libaga ase Gazeti gazeti ya Standard, gazeti ya Nation, nabo igo gazeti ya Star, ya gazeti ya Standard, Taifa Leo na gazeti ya Nation na kole to kuligerelia ase obwango mono tuligerelia alire libaga ase gazeti ya The People tonya kabatokoranga gazeti ya The People ero ningi ebwate lituko lia rero na boigo amanga gante ko guli bagas chinsemo ase chigaseti na boigo chi nyomba chobararu ko amano tonya ka bato koligeria ingwana igoro ya ekiombe ya IPC ingwana igoro yogo chorwa kwa ego sechikura ngo chokolige krogo kia o koba we kiombe kia Africa Union Commission so digamos que Raila Amoro na boigo ayanda amange ase gazeti ya The People Gatenga, Deputy President Kindiki drums up support for Raida's AUC bid ahead of Friday debate. Na litukolia ichuma nigo raibuense mutske Abraham Kithure Kindiki agente kumurwanirira na koligeria ona support gosena komwa kwa sikeraira Morodinga seganga yayo gutaka koba nyakerogo obwe kiombe kikia AUC nabo igo ase gazeti ejuo nigo omoske okia omtata nere agotabunga nigo abwente kwane kibuna abakenya banyaka bakonyora mabaga ase serikali gosegwetira sobokoreri we serikali ya Kenya eri koene kebuna ngonyora bale oboene bwabo ngonyora bara bokoreri korwa serikali ate chinchira ao mucho kerali yo negatiali ile ase chigaseti ao me yensi ya golia lero togenda mukego togera togendere ni Etwani ya Getembe.
Getembe Television ekionga kiamamogusi.
Enyagitari ya Nuga Best nenyagitari ya chirengu maso gusegasigire mechando ya maroire ayo agendera ko bagagucanda mwanya banto nigo babwate emashini yekerero iyo ekorongeya egetekyo mogongo yanyinyitora emekia yane kyabuna chingurungo toka chire ase omubere yasibya manyinga egatimiremende emashini ye nigo eroseranirie amaryogo ayo akorokwa nano diamond tumenium ayo agotumeka ase okugwenia alenayo obokoreri wanuga best nigo bole obwoigoro mono ase babwate mechibi eyo ekugwenia marwere yenda buna bulya bwa ovarian cyst fibroids prostate enlargement egatia yanda mange wigo mbabwate mashine nde okubeka samarekao eyeko yarungeya igati yobokoreri bunde obu bakubwatuka imenya gitaririga iko bakwigura kera lituko ochakera chinse 11 chamambya gweka chinse 12 chambagaroba Nuga Best iko bagotuka imiyumo cyobo songo ase nyumba ya Oru Towers lirongo lya kabere ase bare nene ku chinse mu kire cya Kisii Kisumu
nja samarieta ngoro kwanongaki ana arwareta marwaira ara mange nkagenda chinya gitari ao korigio obogwenia egere mbwene chinya gitari narete ne chinyinga konyoro obogwenia nkaewa mariogo nkanywa lakini timbe tinkonyoro bogweni boikiranete kero nacha Nuga Best ngashugulikerwa nkabango chakira lituko nkorara chimashini cha Nuga Best chimashini echinja abete chigonkonyo mogongo yone nkabwena arthritis nkabwena asthma nkabwena pressure boigo na maroira nda manga yale ngo mubero ne ntamanyete na wenete
asamange bakiresimi gwetera sete namba chabo echo chire 0700260518 gose 0770268169 gose 0770410411 wigo nabukubatalira ase website yabo eyuere www.nugabestke.com. Nuga Best kutanga mbuya kubwa kubwenia.
Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi. St. Francis Menyinkwa Primary School na Junior School ni skuru yekerero yugo koribu ya ase County cha Kisii na Nyamira. Skuru ye nige kurwa boarding facility kura kirasi inye gwika grade kelia gya gatano na limo na boigo kura grade 7 gwika grade gya kenda. Nige bwate ase amazingira mayama nabagosomera kurira mache ayare amakeneno kuna yaramaya ayuare ase skuru mi nibwa ate ebirasi byekerero nankurero bosombi kurwa nagoika eskuro babwate chi computer laboratory nabo igomba bwate chi iPad asabana balia bakwegera amasomo yekerero babwate science laboratory ebote bintu byonsi abwasabana ba junior secondary bakwegera babwate geti asabana bagutinira chi admission ko chakera preschool grade 1 weka grade 6 nigo egendrete na junior secondary.
Welcome to St. Francis Menyinkwa Primary School and Junior School. Taitokote ya baiburi baitu kuna tuwasiekiro mwaka oyo o 2024. Tuwetaharisete kapisa 2025. Korisivu abana baino togendere ko baachi semjirisi bwenerete. Fee structure yeito torikonye change for the next 3 years. Erinde tokecha saba baiburi baitu okobayo bokongo bwa economy. Na ntweta ariste school etene registered under junior secondary school na kirege ntontoro bwate geisai na bali bata to join karibu sana mabagana mange to bwate ili ntogendera ko baoroki na ko bachi semchiri sibabwena tembia mono sana tenya saba sisi
asamange bakere simiasi namba 0729044272 gosem 0715372254 skurega nigera para ya Kisii Kilgoris ensemo ya Menyinkwa. Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi. Getembe Prime Distributors gubao kumanya bunabono iga mbabwate ebintu byobwagachi aho bunabono chichuma cyobwagachi chichi company chonsi chibirengo byonse chibi PC type chonsi chisimiti mbabwate bunabono Rhino na Bambure mbabwate chain link type chonsi boigo mbabwate ebintu byechi bathroom gose bathroom accessories bunabono chi soap dish chi shower chi toilets ne chi toilet tap mbabwate chi tile ao chi chikara ao ne birengo ao mbabwate chi marble chi color ao mbabwate chi tire gose lightings chi type chonse mbabwate chi lock chi birengo ne chi type ao mbabwate merangwa ye chi size ne chi type ao mbabwate chi sink chionse pe boigo mbabwate amabati chibod ao buna MDF na gypsum boards mbabwate chirangi kora crown paints na dura paints boigo mbabwate machine ilia ekuburukania yakwa irangi elio tagete mbabwate chi machine ao buna bono chi power saw chi blower chi circular saw mbabwate chi helmet na boigo ebikoro tubiria byoborendi gose safety shoes asamange bakiresimi ase namba 0717-603-030 0790-904-844 Incho Getembe Prime Distributors bwenyorere ebintu biga aserigulirigi. Getembe Television ekionga kia mamogusi. Boy Juakali Center neduka egokoneria ebitamba byokorosia echisovaset ebirugo byechisovaset bagomba bwate chikapet chisanduki cy'abana bagucira eskuru na boygo echo kubekera chianga nigo babwate emeito yebirengo a kurwa eri abana bagucira eskuru amarangeti ebitamba byokwara na kurarira babwate chichiko chiviber chokoroseria ebirugo na boygo chips chikoros chipillowcase echo ogorarira.
Gagi omwana yo boy tikanda ndango ichibesa ntabwate muko lakini naikire taracha seito nanyorire mwapo ichu wakali hai bone ichibesa kwenda mpulingi emeito ya bana bakuchere sukuru emeito yo konyora bana chisare kwa razangu ra duniani kaki oroje baka nabwate baka ebintombire bakoro kwa chiferi veti chikorozi ebirogo Diechigari. Hai! Kaki apa kusiba sepinga imore. Kaki imore. Hai! Inchu kaki mwenzi tabatari. Ninchu gocha moye binto koruga mwapo ichu wakali. Hili! Omuganga chemisi onkoroko. Kaki.
Mbabwate chitandarua chokorosia ebirugo by'Kigali na boigo ebirugo bya leather. Gusechi sofa set cha leather. Gwetania bo nigo kubanyora babwate chi velvet. Echo oranyare koroseria ebirugo byao gusekende gyonsi origeti korosia. Nebintu nebyo. Mbabwate cha ase ebirengo ao manyiga nonyane chitandarua chokorosia chihema mbabwate kaibagotoka nigo bagotoka ange ne hotel ya Kisii Hotel katikati yo musikiti odaraja mbili na Oru Superstores barabari na Kisii Hotel gutaka kumanya bange na kugura kende gyonsi bakere ase enamba 0720688220 Boy Juakali Center inkyukanyete utaragura ebintu bya Kuroro.
Njempo ichi wakaristo na bariga ni mwesto kole biashara osobwamo ingotoka opposite Kisii Hotel na bariga ni mwesto
Gagi genda mwapoi gagi nyasaye baba boli chwakali gagi egotoka alinsa alitara chambiri gagi ligere libudango kuanete omusio mubihili gagi nariri goli kwa alense ebintu nago lire gagi uichi wakali hili gagi hili ngokongonya musio mubihili Polite bintu mlimamba.
Nigo bakwigura amatukonsi kuri ndiri tukuri sabato tibari kwigura. Getembe Television ekionga kiamamogusi. Getembe Television ekionga kiamamogusi. Christamarian Mission Hospital niyo koreranga ba mentire obokorere bwaye nakoba ubuyakigima
asamarieta ngoro kwa diuka poko no munyagitari korwa se nyagitari ya basista ya Christamarian bono enyagitari ya Christamarian ngoro yere moroberi oribo korikia bantu oswa sha ntori gwakania kwerikia sware rinde lyonsi oratware na botogo konya
bono mbabwate CT scan na boigo mbabwate ensema ya ICU na high dependence unit HDU
Jumatatu ndobwate kliniki kia bantu balibe lisangu ekoro kwa dermatology clinic na psychiatric clinic asa bantu balibe bwato burwire bwo bongo Jumaine ndobwate ekliniki keriki abana gekoro ku pediatric clinic na clinic ya bangina gekoro ku gynecology clinic
mbabwate ensema ya dialysis eyo yekerero use the latest ensema ya laboratory
Jumatano ndobwate ekliniki keriki ya surgery asibali bako barwa bado Jumatano yintobwate clinic ya bangina naba rwere bali pia babwata magana ya mauga babunekire babekire chichuma koro kwa orthopedic clinic aramisi ntobwate medical outpatient koro kwa MOPC elia marwere mono mna sukari pressure malaria eyokoba aramisi
tiweba Christamarian nebwate ambulance asaba konyi bwa emergency uswango
asaba rwere bali barware te chinyiko ntobwate clinic kero kigeo korwa kira omotienyo 6 ase omwaka lakini bono twachirete tamo kira omotienyo 3 onye yabanja no twakora gotokora match yende twakora omotienyo 6 oyondo omotienyo 9 ase omwaka clinic chia maino ntobwate pake ward y'abana bake bali banyoreru lakini rende matuko abo taraika
batarire ase omochi bosongo asa matabekani amashauri ase para ekotira korwa Kisii kogenda chitangio sikima bondo
boigon tobwate ensemo ikoro ku maternity ine ensemo y'abangina bali banyorera abana bose bagochikonyora abana asa abantu bali babwate megonge ko baroma bali kiru n'abanyagitari bachikokorerwa masoezi ntobwate chi specialist nyagitari ito chikoro ku physiotherapist tobwate ensemo ya theater ebwate bintu ebinge nabariganiri ase nyagitari ito ya Krista Marian ni nyagitari omogusi na hinde takobwa magana yerigori incho toikanase tokwane toigwane tokonya
asamange bakire simia se namba 0720266999 gose 0791394904. Getembe Television ekionga kiamamogusi.
Hi everyone, my name is Abbas. I'm the only supplier for the orange label. It's from Canada and it's a really high quality. We bring hundreds of items in this label. We have purses, household, blouses, t-shirts, trousers, jeans, and we have number 1, number 2 at really affordable prices. And now you can get them from Mama Tefi in Kisii.
Mama Tefi mitumba neduka enene eyekonia ebinto ebinge aserigolirie nsekegema mbabwate chibels au cha mitumba buna baby lights chi curtains ne chine chinyinge ekyo chiri cha grade 1 kurwa sense ya Canada tibweba nkurwa bale obosemya guchese bali bagwansa obonchereri obobwa mitumba igoba gutuka ase amagacho a Imperial asensemo ya Nyaro gose ground floor imemo chokisi.
Mimi naitwa Monica Abedo Rongo abiroka akao mzigo kwa Mama Tefi naenda nayo Rongo nauza. Mama Tefi ni mama mzuri, tumekaa naye miaka 3. Obro mi kende de usa maber, ibro yudo gi maber. Oro Mama Tefi en mama maber. Kata ionge gi minyalo uso, to obro chungi malo. Atakuinua, atakupea mzigo, utauza.
Asamange bakire esime 0727081605 boigo 0727574835 Mama Tefi mitumba asamagoli amaya oteyagie
oyo naende Mama Tefi gachira asamoro ko bakira kwanza ngambia mono asinge njumwa bwatranenera si biashara bya mitumba asinga kiere ntambe naende toganderete ko bwatira namo na ino Mama Tefi gachira seri tukoli aya ko batebinga bamentire mesige menga sobonge mesigo ko Canada ne mesige ende ko China teli kubwati ngambesa kiobwate chiri obwate neba ni 1500 neba ni 5000 incho se Mama Tefi mitumba elinda nyale ko bagako bawo bosemi kwa mitumba.
Getembe Television ekionga kiamamogusi.
Let's get this party started! Hey kids, light up your festive season with StarTimes. Renew your subscription for 2 months and get upgraded to the next high bouquet for 2 months to spend more time hanging out with all your favorite cartoon friends on our amazing kiddie channel.
Pretty incredible, right?
Enjoy more adventure, more action, and more fun on Baby TV, CBeebies, Jim Jam, ST Kids, ST Tunes, Toonami, Cartoon, and Boing. Renew your subscription today and get upgraded to Jingle with the Stars.
And I like it that way.
Download the StarTimes On app to enjoy all your favorite kids shows on the go. StarTimes, enjoy digital life.
Getembe Television ekionga kiamamogusi.
ine kwabeire gukorera asenga kintambe guse nigo kwarwalire na gusalia enibo enyinge bono tokwa omoyo inyagitari ya Walfit Health Centers nero lichibuliao nyuranga nonyorobu wenia bwa maruire amange abuna amaruire yesukari amaruire yenda amaruire yomogongo na yande amange.
We call your prostate. No borwere bwa sumbuira bagakenga abagaka sana bwe sukari, what you call the genesis of diabetes. Ngaki borwere bwe sukari bo somo bero goime hypertension no borwere kera manyinga ko genda igure somo be. Walfit itosomete chinchereza to jokorwa ya marwaire enchede ntangani itosomete ngendu nga conventional medicine, yani ubunyagitari obwa kawaida. Itosomete ngendu nga nutritional medicine. Nutritional medicine na marioga aliakurwese endagera ya ito ya kawaida. Kwa mfano we have amino acids, ntubwate fatty acids, ntubwate vitamins na kadhalika. Bigo tumeka esokorwa ya marwaire. Nchirende ya gata tosomerete neka tugutumia international herbal medicine. Tugutumia marioga akurwese mete twarwa ya marwaire. Igao muchito bosongo monene ntobwate clinic yeito ase nyumba ya Uhuru Plaza noerega iga marikiti guys wako ninyama kwali na iguru wacho wake goroba ya gatatu room 307A ntobwate branch mu Eldoret ase nyumba ya Kogo Plaza first floor room 2.
Walfit Health Centers umusani ogo asamarwaire minyoka.
Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Ayo mwibuli ne wabere gukuyara umutunga y'umwana wa arahende school bono school ya Skyline Friends School iyo kutoka sinsa mu kiri cya Gatare nari liciburi yaho ubuyabo gusoma ne school yiga ngamuna igoba bwato bosombi abalimu abo bwato bumanyi bwegoro indagira nereo amuna macha macano yo kunywa mbabwate birasi bisaine school fees yabo ni yo kwana moneli gulidi mu buko bumana incho botambe na niye kubeka chingikero chingiyago cya Savana.
Asamalie tangoro kwa Felix Mayaka, Director Skyline Friends School Kisii, kutoka Somochi Bosongo. Tigangeri bageri tangani, tebya bayolimbia mana sana, ase support about the year 2024, and then go they come 2025, they keep on the same support. Number 2, tigangeri bageri tebya bayoli balonsi pibarera na banaka, bataite ko irabane school into Skyline to coordinate mwana from playgroup mpaka junior school. We remain open. We see the chiwe from Monday to Friday saa 2 chiamambia mpaka saa 10. Mbia mana sana, karibu sana.
Asamange bakirisi mgwetera stina bachabo 0724273582 gose 0717342880. Skyline Friends School aiga no mwano aranyora masomo yebirengo bigoro.
Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Endelea kufurahia na Star Times. Discover your love language on our amazing channels all month long to enjoy intriguing telenovelas from all over the world daily. Renew your subscription today and endelea kufurahia na Star Times. Watch Filipino melodrama The Fake Life.
We really need to focus on this mission.
Get charmed with our Indian drama Soulmates and Turkish drama Lost in Love. You can also catch fresh episodes of Stepmom on Rainbow TV Plus every day at 8 p.m. Renew your subscription today and endelea kufurahia na Star Times. Buy the DTT decoder for only 1,199 shillings and top up 500 shillings to enjoy unlimited entertainment on the classic bouquet. You can also link your decoder to the Star Times on app to enjoy unlimited entertainment on the go anytime, anywhere. Star Times. Enjoy digital life.
Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Na batebi na mbasira kitorongisi ekotoka nza mo chibu gembo nza stage yechi bigibigi nza ajonyo kotate space speaker na ne kabisa live and direct onyo kotate ufa jisi mimbu yeto ayege ntoko koraneke oko chankoro kitoba siko bwanga ko kungaina tikangoro chitibi no chiriga etibi urwambara etibiri jambi ebetirio kutumia nyumba kwa raza kura duniani ebetirio kukeria gari yao majiji betiri na raro fogo laki amaliko no ari ga kurugwe ga sikuka okutura tulijimeno ga kubugima buko yiga mara moja kwa ragiri onyange Jozibi neji ufa
Numbers Electronics boigomba bwate ebintu bina chi speaker amone chi microphone chi horn speaker chi power mixer chi keyboard chi blender chi basi na boigo chibirika chestima chi water dispenser chi radio ao mpaka chirie chigari chi TV chi type chonsi na boigo chi size chonsi amo na electronics beyonce pibuna chi wire chi extension cables nebintu binde ebinge akeroteri kweba chisora panels tarere imeyumu chibugembo stage gorigoro oseo kesimi asa 0729 646 385
aiga no numbers ba customer baito bons asimole na baliganiri kerege nto tobwate na neto bwate bintu bichi quality chigoro chingia kabisa
jaso wenge na nyora kane tigaminyo kanyomba
Numbers Electronics aiga nto bwate kerege nto asirigori dio mubuko o Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi
HK International Medical Center ni nyagitari nene ya chirenkuma imemu chobosongo eyego tumeka chimashini chinkongo asukumureka amarwire ao nago kwa ubugwenia wetera asi amariogo arosirie kurwa asemete nigoba kubwenia amarwire buna esukari ogwaka igoro kwa manyinga gose high blood pressure arthritis cancer chinyigo imichando yichinguru chabagaka ubugomba gati yayande amange
inche no manyagitari irinike maubanye omo director bwa enyagitari tukoroka HK International Medical Center erega igo muchito bosongo na inde ni gonta getoko bariga ni mono sana na kubatebinga ni gotogo over services chekerero tugotumia obobwenia bwekerero technology yo koligererio mubero omogima na inde twarigereri ngambi mo kibiri byasero twaro mo chanda twakwa mariogo na marioga yetu ni gotunya ruseti ase chinse chesko ao nande ni gare habo ayuto kurusia ase chinse buna bono kurustra marioga sense ya Hong Kong eyeri ni China na marioga ande ni goto kurusia sense ya Malaysia ayande kurustra sense ya Spain na ayande ni goto kurusia sense ya California Los Angeles California in USA marioga ande na to kurusia somo cho India na ayande ni goto kunyarusia sense ya South Africa ayana ara marioga kunyara gusibia umuchando yikorwa somo bero na ende nonya ni gokuru mwaka 2011 twabere to kubwenia abantu abange nande ni gare habo tabwatia ni side effect yara kolentere kiagera na yemete igo karibu sana senye gitari yetu ya HK International Medical Center
nabo okubanyora ase enamba 0717176383 HK International Medical Center inchuo onyore obugwenia
Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi Exile Elementary School nigo egokurariria ayo mwiburi amangana mayanga nubwatelibaga yo kubika umunu ase skuru egokorya byagwetana skuru ndiyonsi asorogongorega skuru yiga nigo egotoka ase a junction ya Nyamate para ya Mugunga kogenda Kilgoris skuru yiga nebwate a school band a science lab a computer lab ECDE classes kukorabare obasombi kuruanka gwika esku na kroskuru gwikanka mbabwate ibirasi bya sign language mbabwate boigo French na boigo ase ebekire na sagia asabana bakwegerera tibwe bangamba bwate junior secondary asamange bakire sime ase namba 0722768474 gosem 0100774318 Exile Elementary School no mwano atakeire.
Welcome to Exile Comprehensive School, a school with purpose, a school with a vision and on a mission. To our esteemed parents, we thank you for the support you have given us so far to this point. as the year ends, we urge all of you to be part of Excel. Come on, come on.
Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Tetracom Uniform Center neduka ekone uniform chichingencho au buna echichi skuro echenya gitare echubole ndigo se security echichi gosori echichi kwaya chile chichi kamban go se corporate uniforms tibweba imeya Tetracom Uniform Center boygo ngokorabale embroidery aseboygo bagokora printing na branding yechi t-shirt ninki oganyete minyoka bwango gwikumbulire e uniform aserigolire inse asamange batalere asamagacho a imbirio ensemo ya nyaro maiga ya Kisii mata guse ubakire esimi ase enamba 0726453418 guse 0737081605 Tetracom Uniform Center eduka ase uniform chingia.
Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Zikun Clinica ninya gitari ya kerero iyokurwa obokorari bubugwenia asamarwire au asugutumika amaliogo akura chinse chamaiko igoba kubwenia asugutumika chimashini chinkongu echichikuligiria na kunenkia omuchando bomorwaire inyura igoba kulingulia babwenia na kurwa amaliogo igoliria boni amaliogo nigoliria mubuko na eliororo kubwenia bali emechando buna pressure arthritis esukari ulcers kulingania chuo amarwiri yenda marwiri yabasacha n'abakungu gatiya yande amange nigo bakwigura akira litskuli ya Jumatatu wika Ijumaa kuchagara chinsa ibere chamambya wika chinsa 11 chamagoroba batalere imeyo muchobosongo asamagacho a Uhuru Towers lirongolia gatatu use ubakire simi ase enamba enoti isano na ibere enoti isatu ibere eyemo ibere enoti gose enoti isano na ibere isato isano nemo isano na ibere kianda ibere isano nemo inye School Clinic asobokorari obuya minyoka.
Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Let's get this party started! Hey kids, light up your festive season with StarTimes. Renew your subscription for 2 months and get upgraded to the next high bouquet for 2 months to spend more time hanging out with all your favorite cartoon friends on our amazing kiddie channel.
Pretty incredible, right?
Enjoy more adventure, more action, and more fun on Baby TV, CBeebies, Jim Jam, ST Kids, ST Tunes, Toonami, Cartoon, and Boing. Renew your subscription today and get upgraded to Jingle with the Stars.
And I like it that way.
Download the StarTimes on app to enjoy all your favorite kids shows on the go. StarTimes, enjoy digital life.
Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi. Ine nubwatu musangerekano uligetiko genda asobwangu nigali eguikia ubwangu nandebuya nuligetiko genda ni yamati yao asumuchunde egara uchikwegokya nabamati bao ine nubwate edate utagetiko genda kwa utarabo krega buki ni geroro asingenche yao genda ase smartphone yao ogende Play Store egara download app ya buki kuroro osabe egali inde yonsi ekoire mpaka asoligetiko genda asirigulirigi ya gwetani golirinde lyonsi abugwa gatumikire kurwa aburi tangane nigatore asime chimna Kisii, Nyamira, Kisumu, Omabei, Migori, Kericho, Nakuru, Naivasha, Nairobi, na chinsemo chichietana ine buki ni Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Peak Dental Clinic nenya gitalie kurubo gwene bwabo aso muchando bwa maino nigo bakurubo kale bwabo buna okorusia maina lya bwato muchando koya sivya komenterwa amaino asebalia agogete nkohwenya bale chininti nabo igongo ticha bara maina lya bochogete enya gitalie nige kurubo kale bwensi asedi golidense kegima mbambwate nsema sabana bakubutera nabo igokogoserelia obo kole bwabo no bwabo ngo nando bwikiranwa wigo ngokora bale scanning chimashini ekitone kyabo n'ekibirongo bigoro nigo bagotoka imeyomo kyo Kisii asamagacho a Uhuru Building aselirongo liri igoro yebengi ya Kenya Women Finance Trust boigo nabo kubonyora gwetera ase website yabo ya www.peakdental.co.ke boigo nabo kubonyora gwetera ase nchera yesimi wetera ase namba enotisa nebere kianda ibere inye eyemo kianda isano isato inye ose gwetera ase nambende enoti isano nebere isano nemo inye isano nesatu kianda inye eyemo isano nesatu.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Emily Mutwe. I am the Chief Dentist and you're welcome for professional dental services. We offer all the treatment that entails the teeth. We do fillings, root canals, extractions, replacements, teeth whitening, and also cleaning of the teeth. You're welcome. God bless you.
Peak Dental Clinic, expert in dental care. Karibu.
Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Welcome to Timiza School, where excellence is nurtured and dreams come alive. Located along Kisii Keroka Highway at Nyosia 1, Timiza School is now admitting learners for 2025 from playgroup to grade 9. At Timiza, your child is taught by TSC certified teachers, expertly trained in the CBC curriculum, ensuring they excel holistically. We go beyond the basics by offering French and Kenyan Sign Language, preparing learners to thrive in a globalized world. Our modern facilities are designed for comfort and excellence. Spacious, well-equipped classrooms, comfortable and secure boarding facilities, hygienic kitchen and dining area, modern and clean washrooms, clean and safe water for drinking. We inspire innovation and curiosity through the state-of-the-art science and computer labs. At Timiza, talents are nurtured through a variety of co-curricular activities, including football, basketball, swimming, chess, skating, modeling, debates, scouts, and inspiring music programs with adequate training equipment. Our reliable and affordable transport system ensures your child's safety and convenience. Don't miss out. Interviews and admissions for 2025 are ongoing at Timiza School from playgroup to grade 9. Secure your child's place in a school where excellence and opportunity come together. Call us on today 0726 882397 or 0729-658-659 for more information or to book an interview.
My name is Dylan Musa. I'm in PP1. I love my school and my teachers. Welcome. My name is Kaiden Zabangwen. I'm in PP1. I love my school and my teachers. I welcome you to our school where we learn and play.
Timiza School. Discover your best.
Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Kisii Impact Institute of Science and Technology yine skuru enene yekuru maigilio yebirengo ao asekeliagia artisan certificate na diploma sikosi ao nkwigilia bali chikosi buna addressing gosekorosi na kumina chitukia beauty therapy yubwate kaine ogo chabira chinyenche nechintere na kubika